Roblox usually means you're trying to enter a private server. Here's how to potentially fix it. Check privacy settings. 1. Go to the Roblox website and log into your account. 2. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. 3. Select Privacy from the menu on the left. 4. Scroll down to the Other Settings section. 5. Ensure Who can invite me to private servers is set to a wider group like friends and users I follow, or even everyone, if comfortable. Gain permission. If it's a friend's server, reach out and ask them to invite you directly. For public servers with limited access, there might be specific requirements to join. Check the game description or the creator's profile for details. Other possibilities. Server issues. Occasionally, the error might be due to temporary glitches with the server. Try rejoining in a few minutes. Game permissions. The game itself might have permission requirements. Double-check the game description for age restrictions or other limitations. If none of these solutions work, it's possible the server owner has restricted access for specific reasons. You can try contacting the game creator for clarification.